Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super simple yet effective way to personalize your Windows setup in 2025, changing the icon of a Windows shortcut. Whether you're organizing your desktop for better productivity or just adding a fun touch, this quick tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a shortcut on your desktop or in a folder that you want to customize. Right-click on that shortcut and select Properties from the menu. This will open a window with several tabs. Head over to the Shortcut tab, as that's where the magic happens. Once you're in the Shortcut tab, look for the Change Icon button. It's usually towards the bottom of the window. Click on it, and you'll see a dialog box pop up with a list of available icons. These might come from the original program file or system files. If you don't like what's there, you can browse for your own icon files. Just make sure they're in a format like .ico, .x, or .dll, which contain embedded icons. Select the icon you want by clicking on it, then hit OK to go back to the Properties window. Finally, click Apply, and then OK to close the window. Voila! Your shortcut now sports a fresh new icon. Give it a second to update if it doesn't change right away. One quick tip. If you're pulling icons from a file, ensure it's accessible and not restricted by Windows permissions. This method works on Windows 11 and later versions, but always double-check for any updates in future builds. There you have it. That's how you change a Windows shortcut icon in 2025. It's a small change that can make your desktop feel more like your own. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.